The court has ordered a Rule 19 screening for your child. Let's take a look at that process. The purpose of the screening is to collect important information and input for the appropriate sentence or disposition. Who should attend this meeting? By law, the screening team will consist of representatives from the County Juvenile Probation Office, the Idaho Department of Juvenile Corrections, and the Idaho Department of Health and Welfare. As the parent, custodian, or guardian of the juvenile, you will usually be invited to attend since your input is integral to the process. Depending on the circumstances, the juvenile may or may not attend this meeting. Once a meeting date has been set, your child's juvenile probation officer will prepare a written report that reviews many key issues. The report will also list any prior offenses or legal concerns and potential risks. A list of prior interventions or treatment efforts will also be captured in the report, so the team can see what has already been tried. This report will be presented to the participants at the meeting. So what happens at the Rule 19 meeting? In order to help guide decisions, the participants will determine which community resources have been utilized and whether community-based programs or alternatives can adequately address the risks and needs identified in the meeting. At the conclusion of the meeting, each member will have an opportunity to make a recommendation using a strength-based approach to address the juvenile and family's needs. This recommendation can include commitment to the Department of Juvenile Corrections, suspended commitment, or services provided in the community without commitment. It is okay for team members to have differing opinions. It is important that each person's input be heard and documented to be shared with the court. So, what happens after the meeting? All of the information and recommendations of each screening team member will be compiled in a report written by the probation officer and submitted to the judge who ultimately decides the services needed for the juvenile.